Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're working on a 2024-2025 Hyundai Santa Fe with a new design. So this one is December 24, and just so you guys know, on this one we needed to update the tool in order to have this model. We could not do that with the old system, so we're just gonna go manual selection, and we can go America, and then we can see the Santa Fe with the MX-5A 2024, and we can hit yes on that, and we can go control unit, keyless system, and in this case we already have the code, but maybe you can attempt to read it, but we're just going to go to smart key learning, and it will give us this. So we're just going to go start, and we're going to hit yes, we're going to press OK. Now it's going to ask for the code, and now we're going to enter the code. So it's, and we can hit OK, and we can have our key ready, and the push button is right here. So we're just going to press OK, and it tells us to confirm the key sensing. We're just going to press yes, and after pressing OK, we're gonna press the key on the push button. So we're gonna press OK and give it a long press, so it says programming succeeded. Now we can go for the second one, and we're just gonna hit yes, and we're gonna hit OK, and we can press it on the push button, and the number of keys are 2, so the learning was successful. And now we can exit the system and see that everything works. So we can just unplug this, and then we can see that after a second or so it's synchronizing and both keys are working. Thank you guys for watching. This is how you do those Santa Fe's on the new body. Just keep in mind, you're going to need to update the tool if your tool is not updated. Maybe it means to lose some other things. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you on the next video.